Basically, we provide employment services and anything within that broad scope. Everything from resume assistance, career guidance. Uh, we're a very good focal point to discovering barriers that maybe even the customer doesn't know exist. Each customer that comes in is a whole different subject. It's a whole different avenue. They each have their unique barriers. I've seen it across the whole state. People rely on us all the time to help, and some people say we're the best kept secret, but hopefully they will tell their friends or tell their family members. But um, quite honestly, helping that community, that's what we're designed to do. And I think a lot of people do appreciate that. It's just very hard to get the word out.